All right. What is up, beautiful people? I am back here in Fairfield, Iowa at Maharishi International University for a 2-week meditation retreat. And I was at the one last year, and I'm back again. It was so good that I'm back again here in Fairfield. I'm in my dorm. Check this out. Classic dorm style, 2-bed, single occupancy. Shared shower, shared washroom. It is what it is, but I'm here for meditation. And I'm even wearing my shirt that I got here from last year, 10,000. They have the 10,000 group in Hyderabad and like a 2,000 group here. It even has some Sanskrit stuff on the back. I know it looks like it says 20,000, but it's 10,000 in Sanskrit. But yeah, it says some stuff back there. Let me know if you know what it says. But yeah, we are here. This is also known as a World Peace Assembly, and I am super happy to be back. This is quite the way to spend New Year, to ring in the New Year, to roll in the New Year. I find this experience absolutely incredible. These are for people who do practice Transcendental Meditation, and this is like an extended retreat. Sometimes they're only like 2 or 3 days, but a full 2 weeks of meditating and doing longer rest periods. This is a time to really focus on yourself, to go inward, to relieve all the stresses that are ingrained in the nervous system and the physiology. And everything that we have is already there. Believe it or not, we have everything that we need. Everything is omnipresent. It exists all places, all at the same time. And all we have to do is allow our nervous system to be clear enough to receive, to open up ourselves, to open up our awareness to these things. And this is what we're here for. We don't need anything extra mineral or any kind of product or stimulant or mineral or any of these things, right? We don't need a lot of these things. It's already there within our nervous system, and all we have to do is let it free. Let it free and enjoy it. So that's what I'm doing here for the next 2 weeks. I'll show you guys around the campus, what's going on, the dome as well, the dining hall, the food that we have here. What else? Yeah, stuff that we're talking about here today too. Watch tapes of Maharishi talk about cosmic consciousness. You know, if we don't meditate, then reaching that enlightenment or reaching our full capacity is light years away, even though it's right in front of us, even though it all exists all at the same time. But when we do start to meditate, we do get glimpses of it, we taste it, we feel the euphoria of it, the bliss that comes with meditating, and making the brain aligned, activating the brain, activating our full nervous system. We have the tools, the machinery, and it's only up to use it properly to create the fullest life for ourselves, right? And if we don't, we might go through many life cycles of trying to get there, trying to experience this until we become totally free of it. Enlightened, liberated, whatever you want to call it. But if we do meditate, we definitely increase our chances of getting there. So this is my second time here on this World Peace Assembly, these 2 weeks here. There's another group in London, or in the UK at the Peace Palace there. I know there's one at Meru as well in Holland. So it's good to have these groups here and to meditate in a large group inside of a dome. It's unmatched. And yeah, I feel like I'm the only person in this whole dorm building. I feel like I haven't seen anybody else here. So I'm about to go to my shared showers and take my shower, and we're gonna get into routine. And as we get into routine here, I'll do a little bit of filming, a little bit of uploading some of these videos, sharing my experience here. But if you have any questions, drop a comment, share your experiences on meditation, on enlightenment, on coherence of the brain, relieving stress from the body. Any questions, any comments, feel free to drop. We're going to stay in touch and stay updated. Take care. Peace.